Hello, good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you the review about HP Ink Tank Wireless 419 printer. So I bought it yesterday from one of the stores, and it costed me around 14,990 from direct HP store. So guys, I have already unboxed the HP. So I am going to show you the features of this printer. Basically, there is a ink filler here. You need to fill the tanks colors like this is a black, and this is blue, and this is red, and this is yellow. You need to open that one, spill proof, and you need to fill that. They'll provide you 4 bottles like this. I already filled it, 70 ml bottle, and this is blue, and this is yellow. You need to fill it, and this is red. Already filled this one, and this is completely spill proof. I'll show you that one, spill proof, like this. As you can see, it doesn't spill. You need to put in this column. Open this, and you need to put that one. Then I am going to show you the complete feature of this HP printer, because I already reviewed all the printers. I thought HP is one of the good brands, so I opted HP. So if you wanted to print black and white, you can press this button. If you want to color print, you can press this one. This is indication of papers which you need to put here. You need to open this thing first, like this. You need to put the papers inside, like this. Completely easy. And this is the where you can discard the papers from printed papers. I'll show you that one. Let me print this newspaper. You can totally print around 6,000 black and white and 4,000 color prints using this bottles. They have given me an extra black ink bottle. So I am going to print take a color print from this Bangalore Mirror newspaper. Let me print. First thing, you just need to open like this. Then you need to place it on the top of this, like this. Then you need to close this HP. Then here there is a color button option. You need to press that one. Let me check how the print of this newspaper comes. I have already printed some of the copies of mine. It comes very well. A must-buy product for all the HP users, printers. So it's processing. It may take around 30 to maybe 25 to 30 seconds for one color print. As you can see, the print clarity of the paper, it's just amazing, I think. As you can see, this is the print, Bangalore Mirror, and I'll show you the original this thing. This is the original Bangalore Mirror newspaper, and this is the first copy of Bangalore Mirror, and it comes pretty good. And 5 papers here in this column. You just need to open this one, and you can place on it, and it comes completely like a laptop. It's completely cool and really good. And I'll show you some of the prints which I need to take. Even you can print photos as well. If you have a color albums like the glittery albums, this thing, you can print that one also. there is a double option. This is a complete wireless Wi-Fi printer, and I suggest you to buy this one. I have researched about Canon and Epson, HP. I think HP is one of the good brands, so I purchased it. As you can see, I have printed like this photos and documents. All the documents, it came pretty well. This is all the printed paper sheets, and it comes pretty good. You just need to download one HP application. From that you can directly print any kind of photos and any kind of documents as you like from your mobile and from your laptops. You just need to download HP print inkjet, some application they'll provide. And first thing, the HP this technician only came and done all these things, and it worked, and it may take around 40 minutes to initialize and install, and a pretty cool product, I guess. And talking about the bottles, this bottle is already used, and we just need to use one time for filling the colors, and they'll provide some kind of two gadgets in this, and they have given a suggestion of do not open blue latch unless installation of printed transport printers. Let me show you one print from my phone. I'll show you that one. So I'm going to print the Krishna photo from my phone. I downloaded the picture, and I just wanted to show you the sample clarity of this pic. As you can see, there is so much clarity in this pic. I just downloaded one pic from Google Chrome and just printed this one, and this picture is very cool and really very nice. As you can see the clarity, of this photo which I printed just now. And even in HP there is very less noise sound while printing compared to other printers. It makes some noise. In HP it's completely doesn't make any noise. So that is the one thing. And one more thing you just need to keep in mind is that you need to connect to one Wi-Fi network. One Wi-Fi network in the sense even HP should connect to the same network, and your mobile phone should connect to the same network. Then only you can print all the photos and documents. That is the one main point. Other than that, HP is one of the best product, I think, so I purchased it. If you have any kind of questions relating this lab printer, you can just ping me in my comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.